Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ariel if you're new here, and today I'm going to be lip swatching these lip kits from Victoria's Secret. They have 4 out from what I know. So the lip kits come with a lip liner, a lip cream. These are lip creams. Cream lip stain, that's what it is. And a glitter gloss. I'm really not that much of a fan of this just because I don't like glitter glosses and have like silver specks in the gloss. I try to pull the little bun thing here, but it didn't make the cut, so I really like that they're super comfortable. So if you want to see all of these Victoria's Secret lip kit swatches, then just keep on watching and I'll show you them now. I'm so sorry, but these lip kits are not available anymore. They do sell them individually for $14, and they always have sales too, like 2 for $18 or something like that. I'm just mostly upset that they don't sell the lip pencils individually because they were honestly really great. They were creamy, they lasted long, and I just loved them. So I'm really upset about that. I don't know why they would do that, but they had the lip kits around for the holidays, and I don't know if they're ever gonna bring them back. I hope that they do, maybe without the glitter gloss. I wasn't really too much of a fan, but that's just because I personally don't like glitter glosses. They do have other types of they do have other types of glosses. These cream lip stains come in 10 shades, and they are all super pretty, and I really recommend these. They wear off so evenly and like a stain, so they look very matte throughout the day. They do transfer, so they're not transfer proof. They do transfer, however they are just so comfortable on the lips. I can't wait to tell you guys more about it in an upcoming video, but yes. Oh, and this shade right here, Perfection, my new favorite. I have been wearing it every day since, and I absolutely love it. They look so good, and I never have to worry at the end of the day whether my lips look like crusty. You know what I mean? Like after a couple hours, like if they look patchy, it doesn't happen. It really wears off and then ends up looking like a stain. So I definitely recommend these if you are willing to try them out. I just wanted to mention that the lip kits weren't available anymore, and I'm sorry about that. I wasn't aware that they were only going to have them for the holidays. But although I'm like bummed out that the pencils aren't available, I'm still happy that I found these cream lip stains. I am gonna get more of them because the other shades are super pretty as well. I have like a lot of nudes and I love my nudes. So yeah, I just wanted to mention these few things. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you haven't already. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Oh, and also let me know in the comments down below if you've ever tried these lip products from Victoria's Secret. They only have lip products as far as makeup goes, so yeah, just let me know in the comments down below which one is your favorite, if you tried them before or if you're eager to try them. I will talk to you guys later. Bye. just gonna film my intro.
¿Qué onda? ¿Vas a trabajar?
I'm gonna do my intro really quick, so